Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, I've got another review for you guys, a sneaker shoe trainer review. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's open the box. As you can see, it's a Jordan 1 box. Let's open it and see which one it is. You already know which one it is. Here we go. These are called the grease buckets. Call them the Jordan 1 grease buckets. There we are. Yes, so these are the shattered backboard 3.0. There was a lot of controversy when these first come out. A lot of people did not really like these. They were saying like, oh my god, they were saying like these ones are not looking too appetizing. People wanted to get let me just get this good shot of this. Here we go. Yeah, a lot of people wasn't feeling these, you know. They didn't like the shiny Vaseline effect that they put on the shoes. Yes, but it's not too bad, you know. On feet shoots of these, they look very good on feet. And you know, the price of these have gone up now as well. I will quickly show you how the grease looks close up. As you can see, they are very shiny. Some people are doing some customs and taking the shine off and making it some matte finish. Let's start with the insole. As you can see, these are like some Union insoles with the new Union Jordan 4s. They've got this like eggshell color, one tone color, nice looking. I would not mind if they put some black, you know, contrast the sole with some black and then the eggshell, but all in all it's very nice. Then you've got this like patterny leather but with this crinkling effect, as you can see. If the light can pick it up, there we go. It's got this like a crinkle effect. You see this? Yes, crinkle effect. But yeah, all in all, very nice shoe. You've got the color blocking, orange, black, Wings logo in the back, and we've got the nylon tongue with the orange. Very nice. Here's the other side, and I will give you a quick on-hand shoot how they look like. First wear them. There we are. And this is how they look on hand. Hit some moonwalk. Very nice. Yes, all in all, they come with some extra orange laces as well, and your regular black pair. These are very nice shoes. If you can grab them now, grab them, because the price I think will go even higher. They retail at $140, but now the resale is close to $300. So they've gone up quite a bit in the space of a year. So all in all, I recommend these shoes. If you like to, you know, shine on the haters, then, you know, you can wear these. And if you like to, you know, put Vaseline on your face and you want to match it with your feet, then I will highly recommend these. You get the shiny effects. As always, guys, I want to make some more reviews. Catch me on the next one. And as always, believe.